Hey there, Sylvia Gorenszach here. How is everybody doing today? So today I'm really into the abstract nails. I think it's so easy to do because there really is no rules and there's no set spots where all of these designs can have to be. So you just make it your own. When you're doing plaid and when you're doing other things like, okay, you need straight lines and all that, but the abstract, you just make it your own and it usually turns out almost every single time. So it's really easy to do. So we're going to cover this today. I'm not even quite sure what to talk or what to even call it, but I'll figure something out. So the tools that we're going to be using, first of all, I have Raven's Kiss, Malibu, Pinky Promise, and Madame L. I am using the number 9 gradual brush here, and then also going to use the number 12 striper brush, and then one of these small dotting tools here. Okay, so let's get right to it using our gradual brush. And, I already did this hand. Let's work on this hand. You can start with whatever color you want. I kind of stuck with the pastel colors. You can choose more bold colors. It doesn't really matter. And that's another great thing about abstract. Just choose whatever color speaks to you. So let's start with Malibu, which is one of my favorite colors. And let's just start with painting a section on here. I'm going to try to widen it out near the base here to try to kind of mimic a little bit of a triangle. And then to get more of a pointy spot up here, I'm just going to turn this gradual brush on its side to have more of the, not so much of a flat surface here. And bring it up. Sure. That looks good. And I just have a cleanser pad off to the side. I'm going to wipe the polish off of that. Okay, and then we will go with Madame L. And we'll come from up here and come down. Again, make it whatever kind of shape you want. Leave a little bit of space in between the colors so that we can have the black in between. Okay, and just cleaning the brush on the cleanser pad off to the side here. And now for Pinky Promise. Okay, we're going to give that a full 45-second cure. All right, so now we're basically just going to retrace and refill in our spots with our colors. So let's start with Madame L. Let's give that a full cure. Okay, the next players of the game, I think I mentioned earlier that was number 12, the short striper brush, but I'm actually using the longer striper brush. And then one of the dotting tools. Now we'll take some of our Raven's Kiss and we're just going to outline, and outline the shapes, not all of the way. Create more of a thicker black going into a more gradual pinpointed black line. Again, just do it what looks good to you. Okay, so I like that. And then I'm going to put some random dots. You could put it in between on the colors. You could put it right on top of, I'm going to put one right on top of Malibu. And let's see where else might look good. Maybe a couple down here. We'll give that a full cure. Now that that's fully dry, you know I always love to finish off my nail art with a little bit of Clearly Frisky just to even out all of the raised polishes that we have here from the dots and from the outlining. And it just completes the look. We will give this a full cure, but in the meantime, if you want to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. And if you have any other suggestions or questions, just drop them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao.